Hello, this is our 2017 33-foot Outrage Boston Whaler, platinum gray hull, fresh bottom paint just done, chrome graphics, pair of 350 Mercury Verado, recently 100-hour service just done actually, joystick piloting. Dive door on the side here. Open array radar. We'll take a look up inside. Boat has the prep station with cooler underneath. Transom seat standard. Index storage and fish box. Dual helm chairs. Twin 16-inch Raymarines, 7-inch vessel view display, ICOM VHF radio with AIS, stereo remote, and a second VHF radio by Raymarine. Let's go forward. We have trolling seats that flip out on the side here. Take a look in the head. Porcelain vacuflush freshwater toilet. Go forward here, big spacious lounge, wraparound seating front here. Windlass and fresh water to hose it off when you're through. More storage under these seats and in the floor here. Real spacious storage in the trunk area here. You put 16 rods in there, or just all your stuff. Back through here. That's our 2017 33 Outrage. Give us a call.